Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Uber login issues, phone number, and app errors step by step clearly. First, confirm your phone has a stable internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn off VPN or proxy services because they can block Uber verification and login requests. Check that your phone's date and time are set to automatic to avoid security token mismatches. Restart your phone to clear temporary network and app glitches affecting the login screen. Update the Uber app from the App Store or Google Play to make sure you have the latest fixes. Force close Uber completely and reopen it to reload the login and verification modules. Clear the Uber app cache on Android in Settings. Apps. Uber. Storage. Clear cache. On iPhone, offload or reinstall the Uber app to refresh corrupted app data if login keeps failing. Make sure your phone number is entered with the correct country code and without extra zeros. If you recently changed your number, try logging in with the old number and update it after access. Request the verification code again and wait at least 1 minute before trying a new request. Check your SMS inbox and spam or blocked messages settings for missing verification texts. Ensure your phone can receive SMS by sending a test message from another number. Disable any SMS filtering or security apps that might block shortcode messages from Uber. If SMS codes do not arrive, choose the Call Me option to receive the code by voice. Verify that you did not accidentally block Uber or unknown numbers in your call and SMS settings. Try logging in using your email option if your Uber account has an email connected. If you see an error like something went wrong, log out if possible and try again after 10 minutes. Check Uber server status by searching Uber status online to confirm there is no outage. Free up storage space because low storage can cause the app to crash during login. Allow required permissions for Uber, including SMS, phone, and network access where applicable. Disable battery optimization for Uber on Android to prevent background verification failures. If the app crashes, uninstall Uber, restart the phone, and reinstall the latest version. Try logging in on a different device to confirm whether the issue is your phone or your account. If your account is locked, follow the in-app prompts and complete any identity or security checks. Reset your Uber password if you suspect suspicious activity or repeated login failures. Contact Uber support through Help, Uber.com, and provide your phone number, device model, and error message. Keep screenshots of the exact error screen to speed up support troubleshooting and verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.